Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Brehm and we are back with another video. So alright guys, today we are going to make a fire tornado. Basically fire tornado is a natural disaster and usually fire tornado heat up to 1000 degrees Celsius. So you guys understand how dangerous it is. So today we are going to make a fire tornado with this system. So we took a lot of time to build this setup. So just see how this setup actually, and it's works like this. So before I start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's make the fire tornado.
This video is truly for entertainment purpose. Please don't try this at home.
Alright, give me that camera. I'll handle it. So alright guys, he will do this thing much better than me. So let's see. We need to proper fire. And it's working guys. It's working guys, it's working.
रुको जरा सबर करो.
So alright guys, you have seen what this fire tornado looks like during the day, but what will this fire tornado looks like at night? So let's make a fire tornado at night. So alright guys, let's start our night show.
Following the light that sets me free.
So alright guys, after so much hard work on this system, it's totally worked. We are success. So if you guys have fun in this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. So this is God of Experiment. My name is Brehm and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.